Here's a question from Constance in New Jersey. I have aluminum siding on my home. It was installed in 1981. The south side of the siding is now peeling off. I can't afford to have the house sided again. What are my options, please? So Connie, I'm not sure from your question if it's the fact that the paint is peeling from the siding or the siding is actually peeling from the house. So I'll answer both those questions. If you want to repaint the siding, you can do it by cleaning it really well, soap and water, pressure washer, let it dry, and then use a paint and primer in one exterior grade to paint it. But 5 years from now, you're going to have to paint it again. If it's the siding that's pulling away, a siding contractor can come out, take all that loose siding down, reattach it to the home and put it back. While it's going to cost you a few dollars to do that, it's way less expensive than residing the entire home. Here's a question from Julie in Iowa. I have brown metal ceiling tile grids in our basement. I want to paint them white. What do I need to do? We're removing the old ceiling tiles as well and putting in new ones. Well, Julie, since you're going to remove all the old tiles, you'll have the exposed grid. Wipe it all down, make sure it's dust-free, and then buy some spray paint in the color of your choice. Red could work. And spray paint the whole thing. Remember that a lot of this is petroleum-based, so make sure that the area is well ventilated, allow it to dry, drop your new tiles in, it's going to look brand new.